We just found a stock up 272% after hours. That's $DFNS. And it's not alone. We scanned 12,000 stocks and found 5 rockets ready to fire. One of them just posted the kind of move that changes portfolios overnight. The question is, which one do you trade tomorrow? Stick around because I'm breaking down all 5 with exact entry, target, and stop levels. Let's go. Tonight's after-market scan is absolutely insane. We're looking at an unusual cluster of momentum. 5 stocks with rocket-tier scores all firing at the same time. When you find a multi-rocket session like this, you're looking at elevated market volatility, which usually means tomorrow's opening is where the real action happens. We found momentum across micro caps with massive relative volume spikes at 2.0x normal. These aren't blue chips. These are pure momentum plays. High risk, high reward. That's what we're tracking on pre-market rockets every single day. $DFNS is the headline stock. Up 272%. A 64 out of 100 momentum score. Trading at $16.19 with 144 million shares in the volume. The float is tight. Only 30.3 million shares. There's no recent catalyst news, which means this is pure technical momentum. Entry at $16.19. First target $18. Second target $24.29. Stop loss at $13.68. This is our MOONSHOT tier. The one everyone's going to be talking about tomorrow morning. $ENTX is our second explosive mover. Up 93.6%. 57 out of 100 score. Trading at $3.97 with 165 million shares of volume. Float is 39.4 million. Entry $3.97. Target 1 at $4.19. Target 2 at $5.95. Stop at $3.88. This one's got momentum across a bigger float, which typically means more sustainable moves. This is explosive tier. $LVWR rounds out the top 3. Up 67%. 53 out of 100 SC. More sustainable moves. This is explosive tier. $LVWR rounds out the top 3. Up 67%. 53 out of 100 score. At $2.44 per share with 148 million volume shares. Larger float of 163.8 million makes this one different. More traders. More liquidity. Entry $2.44. Target $1 $2.51. Target $2 $2.88. Stop $2.33. Explosive tier. But wider float means tighter percentage targets. KIDZ is our fourth rocket. Up 43.7%. 52 out of 100. Trading wider float means tighter percentage targets. KIDZ is our fourth rocket. Up 43.7%. 52 out of 100. Trading at $0.60. Volume is absolutely massive. 495 million shares. That's the kind of volume you see in breakout setups. Tiny float at just 5.4 million shares. Entry $0.60. Target $1 $0.62. Target $2 $0.73. Stop $0.56. This is strong tier. Smaller move percentage but incredible participation. FGMC closes out our 5. Up 65.7%. 5. Our move percentage but incredible participation. FGMC closes out our 5. up 65.7%. 50 out of 100 score. $13.75 entry. Volume is lower at 2.2 million. This one moved on less volume, which can mean the move's already extended. Small float of 8.2 million. Entry $13.75. Target $1.16.50. Target $2.20.63. Stop $11.69. Explosive tier. But watch this one for potential gap fill tomorrow. Here's what I'm watching for tomorrow. First, pre-market confirmation. These 5 stocks are going to open. The real question is whether they hold momentum or gap fill. Watch for $DFNS to either fill above $16.50 or pull back to support at $13.68. Second, volume confirmation. If you see similar or higher volume on the open, these moves continue. If volume drops 50%, expect consolidation. Third, sector rotation. Notice there's no obvious sector connection here. These are scattered movers, which tells me it's pure technical momentum, not fundamental news. That means scanner traders will be in control tomorrow. Position sizing is critical. These are 8 to 10% risk plays at minimum. Fourth, watch for lower float stocks like $KIDZ and DFNS. They can gap up or gap down massively. Fifth, don't chase late. If $DFNS opens and immediately jumps 20%, that's often your signal to wait for a pullback or move to the next rocket. The opportunity is the setup before the explosion, not after. Tomorrow we'll scan again and find the next cluster. That's how we stay ahead of the movers. Every day we scan 12,000 plus stocks to find the biggest pre-market rockets before they explode. Subscribe and hit the bell so you catch tomorrow's movers first. See you then. Want deeper analysis on these setups? Want to learn how we score momentum and identify rockets before they move? Head to TDVW.com. That's where we break down the data, teach the scanning process, and build community traders who actually understand what they're trading. Link in the description. Let's make tomorrow count.